it's Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas, and today is season 2, episode 37 of Craftmas. And I'm going to go over how to make a Milestone blanket. Now remember, if you are a $10 or more a month patron, you do get access to all these files. Now if you'll give me a moment, I'll show you how we put this together. So as you can see, I have my Milestone blanket laid out. So the first thing we want to go ahead and do is to take our numbers and we're going to start laying them out. We want to make sure we have good spacing in between them. But we also want to make sure everything looks nice and even. So the easiest way to do this is to lay it all out as I have here. If you don't have the space to do this, or if you're on carpet, make sure if you are on carpet that you have something underneath to protect for heating, because a lot of carpets have things in them that can melt. So as you can see, I kind of just start laying out my numbers, make sure I'm happy with how they look. Now I'm not going to iron the whole thing down on camera because that would take forever. But so far, I think that looks pretty good. What do you think? And the blanket came from Target. It was $8.99. Now they do have sets that have 3 blankets, but that's not what I wanted. Especially because the cost was quite a bit more, and that was not what I was wanting again. So as you can see, I'm laying out Giovanna's name. There we go. And then last but not least, on the bottom down here, we're going to lay out our months. There we go. So as you can see, everything's all nice and laid out the way that I want it to look. So I'm going to cover with my Teflon sheet. Well, we're going to start with the name because my cord is not long enough. So we're going to go ahead, and the Easy Press is preheated to 330 degrees. So we're going to start with the top corner. And we're going to go 15 seconds. Move over for another 15 seconds. Hopefully y'all can see everything that I'm doing. Again for another 15 seconds. Gotta pull up my pants. Okay. There we go. And we are using black Thermoflex Plus and Rainbow Rose Glitter Flex Ultra. Okay. So as you can see, let me do the G just one more time. Okie dokie. We lost the dot to our eye, which again is an easy fix. Just take and cover. Okay. Now, one of the things I will do is I'm going to go back over all of this with the heat press once it's all stuck down, just to kind of make sure everything is well and stuck. My darn dot. Okay, let's do that one more time. Might help if I actually go for the full 15 seconds. And when I first started it, I didn't realize my heat press was not fully heated up. Okay. Okie dokie. There we go. Now look how cute that looks. Now give me a moment and I'm going to stick everything else and then I'll show you how we did this. So hopefully you like this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down below. And if you hit the notification bell icon, that should notify you when we post new videos. But I guess that's it for today, so we'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.